Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Element versus Fluxer so you can decide which Discord alternative is actually better for you. So let's start with Element. Element is built on the Matrix network, which means it's decentralized and heavily focused on privacy. It uses end-to-end encryption, and you can even host your own server, giving you full control over your data. It's great if security and ownership are your top priorities. Now, on the other hand, we have Fluxer. Fluxer is a newer platform that launched in 2026, and it's designed to feel very similar to Discord right out of the box. It supports text chat, voice calls, video calls, screen sharing, and organized channels, so it's very similar and easy to use. One of the biggest differences between the two is usability. Element can feel a bit more technical and less polished, especially for beginners. It's powerful, but there's a bit of a learning curve. Fluxer, on the other hand, is designed to be simple and user friendly, almost like a direct Discord clone, so most people can jump in without any confusion. Now, let's talk about privacy. Element is actually still the winner here. It has strong encryption by default and is built around decentralization. Fluxer is also open source and privacy focused, but it's still developing. And some advanced privacy features like full encryption are still improving or planned for the future. Next, we have their features. Now, both platforms actually support messaging, group chats, and communities. Flexer already includes things like screen sharing, voice, video, and customization options like emojis and themes. Element also has these features, but depending on the setup, they might not feel as seamless. Now, here's something important: stability. Element is more mature and stable since it's been around longer. Fluxer is still very new and in early stages, which means you might experience bugs or outages while it continues to grow. Finally, pricing. Both are actually generally free to use. Element can be completely free, especially if you self host. Fluxer is also free and open source with optional premium features or donations to support development. But which one should you choose? Well, if you want maximum privacy control and a more decentralized system, Element is the better choice for you. But if you want something that feels like Discord, a clone with an easier interface and modern features right away, Fluxer might be the better option. Just keep in mind it's still new and evolving. So yeah, Element is all about security and control, while Fluxer is all about ease of use and familiarity. So basically, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.